Hi folks. In the previous video, we saw how to create a custom field and how to associate it to the screens and how to add the values, required values by using the newly added custom field. Now, in the current video, we will be discussing about how to update the board filter to make use of the newly created custom field. So if that is the context, we might want to update the field, update the filter of the board so that only required issues will be displayed on the respective board. For this, what we have to do is like right now I'm on the board, SQW board. I am going to the board settings. On the right hand side, we have three dots. Click on that and we have the board settings. Go to the board settings. And here we have the filter. Right now, by default, we have the SQW board filter. We can click on edit filter query. We will be redirected to the issue filter screen. And this is the filter details for the SQW board, which means right now this is the filter which is being associated or being tagged to this SQW board. And based on this filter, the issues are being displayed under the SQW board. Now we created a new custom field and we want to display the issues as per the newly created custom field. How we can do that? We can simply update the JQL and we can filter out the issues using the column or the custom field which we created. So I am updating the JQL directly and I am adding board test name. This is the new custom field which we created, right? So I'm clicking on that. It is coming as board test name drop down. I want to choose which custom field. Right now, we updated two issues for the SQW board as option for the board name test column. So I'm selecting that. Order by. Okay. Let's update the JQL. Make sure it is coming up SQW board. Okay. So right now, if you can see, we have 55 issues for the default filter or default JQL of the board. But now we updated this and I'm doing a search. We will be getting only two issues. Reason we updated only these two issues, SQW 10 and 11. As you can see on the top of the screen, SQW 10 and SQW 11. Only these two issues we updated the newly created custom field with the value SQW board. Now that we are done, the JQL is validated. We are seeing only the required fields. Here we have the option save filter. Without saving the filter, just updating the JQL will not help. We need to ensure the filter is saved. So here we have option save changes will directly override the existing filter. Instead, I am doing a save as a copy. It is up to us. You can choose between save changes versus save as a copy. Right now, I'm doing a save as a copy so that I want to roll it back. Test board filter. I'm just giving some name so that it will be easy to filter, easy to capture or validate. I'm saving it. So now the filter is saved. Let's go back to the board settings. I'm going back to the project and now I will navigate back to the board settings. Before going there, let's take a look at the backlog before updating the filter. So here, as you can see, we have all the issues, active issues displayed by making use of the or referring the default issues. Oh, sorry, default filter. Now I'm going to the board filter, board settings, updating the board filter. So here it is showing the default filter. Here I am clicking the pencil icon, edit icon. And as we can scroll down, we can see the newly created filter along with our custom field. I'm selecting that. The settings got saved automatically. As you can see, the filter query also got reflected and updated. Now go to backlog and see. Click on back to board and go to the backlog and see. We could see only these SQW 10 and 11, which means the other issues got filtered because it is not matching the criteria, filter criteria. Okay. This way we can update and link the default filter of the board to make sure only the required issues will be displayed or coming up or fetching on the current board of JIRA. Hope this information is helpful. Thank you.